Hello everyone. Today we are going to be installing Android Q Beta 3 on the OnePlus 6T. OnePlus 6T is among about 21 devices which support Android Q Beta 3. The installation process of Android Q Beta 3 on the OnePlus 6T is actually pretty simple. You don't have to do things like download the ROM and then go to recovery mode and install. There's a fairly easy way to install this upgrade. Now before you do that, please know that there are a bunch of bugs which are mentioned on OnePlus's website. You can go check that out and see if you can live with these things. Secondly, back up your OnePlus 6T before you install the Android Q Beta update. There is a chance of data loss and we don't want to be responsible for you losing your precious photos, text messages, etc. So back up everything before you try this. And finally, do not do this on your primary phone. I can't stress this enough, because if on the off chance that something goes wrong, you may lose precious data once more, or your phone may even get bricked. So these are the risks that come with installing Android Q Beta 3 or the beta version of any OS for that matter. So we'll be installing Android Q Beta 3 right now. If you understand the risks, you should proceed. If you are not happy with these, just wait. Android Q will most likely make it to the OnePlus 6T eventually. You can install it then. So let's go ahead with this. Now the first step, obviously, in installing Android Q Beta 3 on the OnePlus 6T is to go to android.com/beta. So you can do it on any browser. I'll just go here and show this to you. We've done a bit of cheating actually. We've already already downloaded Android Q Beta on this device so that we can speed up the process. So let's go there, android.com/beta. Yeah, so here you got to scroll down. All the phones are listed in alphabetical order. So OnePlus 6T is here. So here you click get the beta. And this will take you to OnePlus's website where you can tap download now to start the download. Now we've completed the download as I told you before. 1.46 GB is the size of the file. Now once you finish that, there are a bunch of very simple steps you need to follow to install this upgrade. First thing is look for the settings app on your phone. Now here you need to go to system. Let's look for it. System is here. Now you can go to system updates here. And here there is a gear icon on the top right here on this corner. Tap that. Tap local upgrade. So now this says that you got to move the installation package into root directory. Now this means that you can go to the file manager app and copy the file, the update file, into the root directory. Now we'll show you how to do that really quickly. Now let's first look for file manager, which is here. Now we go to categories, downloads, the update is here. So just tap and hold this and select copy and you tap internal storage. Yeah, just paste it here. See, now it should appear. Let's go back to settings. Yeah, so local upgrade. Now the file is appearing here. Tap confirm. Now the OnePlus 6T has begun installing Android Q Beta 3. We just have to wait until it reaches 100%, which I assume will take a few minutes, and we'll keep waiting until then. Alright, the installation is complete. Now we'll quickly set up this phone so that we can see that Android Q Beta 3 is working properly. Let's go ahead with it right now. Okay, so Android Q is set up on this OnePlus 6T that we have. Now, so far you can see this UI and you may not be able to tell that, okay, it's Android Q. It looks like Oxygen OS based on Android P. Here, I think we can go into settings and figure out if it indeed is Android Q. Let's go to settings. Yeah, display, theme, dark. So dark mode is a feature of Android Q. So this looks like it's on Android Q. One more way, which is a much more obvious way, which I should have done earlier, is go to about phone. Okay. Oh, Android version here. There you go. It's 10. So that's Android Q Beta 3. And alright, one more way to check this out is location, app permission. See, this allow only while using the app. This permission is new. So this proves that we are on Android Q Beta 3. Alright, so that was how we installed Android Q Beta 3 on the OnePlus 6T. Once again, we'll repeat, if you are doing this, do it at your own risk. There is a way to roll back to Android Pie, and you can do that pretty easily if you go to the OnePlus site and check out instructions. Thanks for watching this video, and for all things tech, check out gadgets360.com.